Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today's video is going to be a 2000 rupees challenge from Clubfactory, and I have previously done a video on Clubfactory and showed you guys everything that I got and sort of reviewed the products and the site. So I'll link that video as well, you can check that out. And a lot of you guys asked me to review the clothes as well, and I haven't gotten a chance since then. I liked a couple of other sunglasses as well, but however I did not order them this time, but I think I will order them soon. And let's get started. I'm going to show you guys what all I got this time. These are the things that were sent out for review. So yeah, let's dig in and I'll show you guys everything. I've ordered a couple of accessories, one clothing thing and one pair of shoes as well, because I wanted to try like different variety of products so that I can put my thoughts clearly as to how I feel about each and everything. So starting off with the clothing piece, this is the top that I got and it's quite nice. The material is actually quite nice compared to the one that I tried last time. I quite did not like what I got last time. I think this is XL or double XL, so I think this will quite easily fit somebody who is large, and maybe XL if you are thinner on the waist. So this would be tight for me near the waist, so that's my only problem. And the quality is quite nice, but I wouldn't say it's of amazing quality, but then for the price you pay I think it's pretty okay. So that's the clothing thing. And now coming to shoes, so yeah, again I forgot to mention, everything came in really nicely packed. Firstly in this cover, the courier had arrived in this cover, and everything else was bubble wrap and neatly packed. So this is the pair of shoes that I got. They are these wedges and they're like very nice and sort of velvety material, and I got them in black, but there are two other colors as well. I think one is nude and the other one is sort of brown. So this is the last size, so I think this is like 7. They're a little bit, my foot is coming out of it by a little bit, but then the quality is actually quite nice. To be honest, I quite did not expect this quality. The quality is really nice, and I think these were priced around 700 and they're quite fashionable. I think you would easily find something like this in Forever 21 or Zara, and they would be priced much higher. So that way I think this is pretty amazing. Any other international website like Shein or Zaful or any other website, it would be slightly pricier than this. And definitely a little more expensive if you buy it in Zara. So I think this is a big yay, and the quality is nice and nothing is flimsy, and I can easily walk in these. Like, these are very comfortable wedges, and yeah, so this is a yay for me. And before moving on to the accessories, I got this tripod, and it is just a tiny one for my phone since I film videos. This is actually quite decent. It's not a great product, but it's not bad as well. I think it would not carry too much weight, but for phones it's pretty fine. Or I think selfie stick would be fine, but if you're somebody who clicks pictures by themselves, or you can use it for videos if you're into YouTube, it's quite nice. The quality is also decent, and for the price I think it's actually pretty cool. Even this one came nicely packed. I was a little scared that it'll break, but then yeah, it came in really nicely packed. And then I'm left with a bunch of accessories, starting off with this one. This is the first one, and it has this really nice choker and this, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And this sort of horseshoe ones are really in now. You see them everywhere, and I've seen a lot of people wear them. And I've seen them on a lot of international websites. This is definitely an amazing quality. I quite love the accessories on Clubfactory. Most of them are really amazing. There were a few of them which I did not like in my previous haul, but there's a good amount of them which are really good. So this is one of them. This is just really so beautiful. I am in love with this, and the quality is really good. And usually when there are accessories which you buy off websites like this, some of them might be very affordable sometimes, but then the hook part of it is not that great. But this is not the case with it. The hook is actually very comfortable. They're not pokey, and sometimes they just don't get in. So that's not the case, and it's like really nice. You can wear it on a casual everyday use, and you can wear it on your vacation, or you can definitely wear it when you're heading out somewhere as well. And the next one is this clip. So you can totally wear this if you are heading out somewhere to a beach on your holiday, or like a simple beach wedding, or you know, something that has a holiday theme or an island theme. It's really pretty and it looks quite real. So I quite like this one as well. So I was planning to order 2 of these. Then I thought, okay, what if the quality is not great? So I just ordered 1, and I think 1 is good enough. The next one is again something amazing. So I was eyeing these on AliExpress as well. They look so pretty and the color is amazing. I think they're available in like 2-3 other colors, but I think these are amazing for summer. They're like such beautiful summery peachy pink shade, and like the tassels are also of really good quality. Last time I think I did not like one or two accessories. I think some tassel earrings because I did not like the quality of the thread, but this one's like really good. And then we have one more neck piece, and let me just open it. This is also that layered neck piece with this marbles and this V and everything. This is also quite good. The quality is very nice. It's a very pretty gold one, and it'll go with a lot of outfits like Indo-Western outfits, t-shirts, dresses, and so many other things. I quite like this one as well. Again, this is also like, you know, you can wear it on your simple office wear or any simple outfit, and it'll totally amp up the look. So loving this one as well. And I think we are at the end of the video. The last ones that I have here are some rings. So it's a set of rings. This is that crown or the leaf one, and this is that infinity, the tangled ring sort of a thing. So yeah, you just have to wear it like this. I don't think it'll fit me on any other finger, but this is how they look. They're like really beautiful, and again the quality is really nice, and they're like such affordable accessories for such good prices, and the quality is really good. So that was the last of the things that I wanted to show you guys in this haul, and I absolutely loved all the accessories this time. Last time I had like mixed feelings. I loved some accessories and some of them were a little okay, and I in fact did not like the quality of some of the accessories. So this time it was a big yay for me. I love all the accessories. All of them are of amazing quality, and the shoes are also pretty good. Even the tripod is quite nice, and I think it'll be really handy. The only thing that I'm slightly disappointed with is this one. The material is I don't know how to put it. Like, you can see that the finishing is not that great. Like, you can see threads here, and the quality is decent. It's not amazing, and it's a double XL, and I don't think the waist will fit me. But anyway, I'm not very happy with the clothing piece, but rest of them are super amazing. So if you're somebody who loves accessories, then you should definitely try out Clubfactory, but be a little picky. Like, you choose carefully, look at the reviews and the pictures that people post in the reviews to see whether they look like the product that's shown. I'll also insert pictures here. So make sure that you check reviews and the images so that you know whether the product looks like what it's shown in the picture on the app. So there's a couple of payment options. I don't think they have COD, but you can pay through Paytm or card. And the courier directly comes home, and you do not have to pay any customs. I did not pay the customs last time. I did not pay them this time, and I haven't paid customs for any of my international website shopping till now. Let's not jinx that. So anyway, you don't have to pay customs, and if the order is about 1900 and something, then they have free shipping. Otherwise you would have to pay for shipping, so hence the 2000 rupees challenge. So that's it for this video, guys. And also let me know which one's your favorite in everything that I showed. I would have to say that the accessories are amazing. I love all of them, but this one's my favorite, and definitely the pink tassel earrings as well. These are so pretty. That's all about Clubfactory, and let me know in the comments below whether you've tried Clubfactory and how was your experience. I see mixed reviews. I see a lot of people loving them. I see a lot of people a little scared and worried that their package might not arrive at time and all that. So this time my courier arrived quite quick. I think it was about in 10 days, but I'll leave the exact details here and in the description box as well. Do not forget to check out the description. And that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. I do hauls, street shopping videos, makeup videos and reviews as well. So do not forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you don't miss out on any videos. And I'll also leave my social media handles in the description box. You can find me there as well, and you can stay in touch that way, and you can also see how I style everything that I show, and you can see what else I've been doing and all that. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.